Hey guys, welcome back to Manjalicious. My name is Manjula and today I'm going to show you how to cook one of my absolute favorite dishes, Sri Lankan style fried potatoes. We call it alatal dala or in English deviled potatoes. It's a very famous dish for weddings, parties and any family gatherings. It's a must in the menu. People absolutely love this dish. There are 4 steps involving in this dish. Boiling the potatoes, step 1. Step 2. Frying the potatoes, step 3. Frying the onions, and the last, mix them all together. Let's see the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. Here I have 5 large potatoes cut into bigger pieces. I like to cut the potatoes in fairly large pieces because I want the potatoes to hold its shape when it's cooking. Because we are frying them and we are mixing them with onion and spice mixture. So I don't want them to break apart. But if you think it's too big, you can always cut into smaller sizes. 3 large onions sliced into moon shape. Pandan leaves. Curry leaves. 5 whole green chilies split in half. 2 medium-sized cinnamon sticks, 3 tablespoons of red chili flakes. I know it seems quite a lot of chili flakes. We like it a bit fiery, but if you can't handle that much heat, by all means you can reduce according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of Maldives fish or fish flakes, 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. Again, you can use any oil, vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, mustard oil. From this, I'm using 3 to fry the potatoes and the rest to fry the onions. As I mentioned before, there are 4 steps involved in this dish, which I have completed the step 1, boiling the potatoes to save some time. When I boil the potatoes, I put some turmeric powder and some salt, and I boil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And now we are going to fry the potatoes. Here I have a non-stick frying pan on medium heat. Now I'm going to add the coconut oil. It's a bit frozen. Give it a few seconds to melt the coconut oil. And now I'm going to add the potatoes. I love the sizzling sound. If you're using a smaller non-stick pan, just do this in 2 or 3 batches. Now at this stage, I'm not going to move any potatoes. I just want to fry them for a few seconds. Since I'm using a non-stick pan, I know it's not going to stick to the bottom of the pan. But if you're not using a non-stick pan, add maybe, instead of adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, just add maybe 4. I'm going to cook them for about 1 minute on each side, until they turn nice and golden brown. Make sure they all get the nice coating of oil. After 30 seconds, you can check how the potatoes have done. As you guys can see, this is the color exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna flip them over. Look at that. So this is about after 30 to 40 seconds. This is the reason I cut the potatoes into fairly large pieces, because I don't want them to break apart. As you guys can do, lots of chopping and mixing. So I still want the potatoes to hold its shape. As you guys can see, it holds the shape beautifully. Maybe another minute or so. Look at this. Look at the color. Wow. And this smells absolutely beautiful. So far I fried them for about approximately 2 minutes. The frying time may be vary depending on the type of pan you use and the temperature using. But I would say approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, my potatoes are done. I'm gonna turn the heat off. So I cooked them in total for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put the potatoes aside. Heat on medium. Add in the rest of the coconut oil. Now starting off with the third part. Here I have the garlic. I'm gonna spread the garlic a little bit, spread it down. Followed by the rumper, the curry leaf, and the chili. I absolutely love the smell of the curry leaves, the pandan leaves, and the garlic. And now I'm gonna add the onions. Mix them well. I like to fry these onions for about 5 to 10 minutes until they turn nice and golden. And now I'm gonna add the salt. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to mention salt according to your taste. I'm using maybe 2 teaspoons, and again pepper about 1 teaspoon. Mix them. You need to continue mixing this onion mixture. You don't want them to burn it. I'm gonna fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the turmeric, the cinnamon, and the Maldives. Mix again. I like how it changes the color straight from white to yellowy. So fry them for about another minute or so. This smells wonderful. So after a few minutes, this is how it looks. Now I'm adding the chili flakes. I know it's quite a lot, but as I said before, it's a fiery dish. But if you can't handle this much heat, by all means, just reduce according to your taste. Give it a mix. As you guys can see, the onions have beautifully fried. Now it's time to add the potatoes. Once you add the potatoes, please mix them gently. Just fold them because you don't want to break them and lose the texture of the potatoes. This looks beautiful. Alright. I think that's it. There you have it, guys. Sri Lankan style fried devil potatoes. This smells amazing and I cannot wait to try. I'm going to take some potatoes and a bit of onion. All right. It tastes really, really delicious. It is spicy. Yes, it is spicy. The potatoes have beautifully cooked and the onions have beautifully fried. I love the crunchiness from the potatoes because we fried them before we add them into the spice mixture, and it's amazing. You should really try this, guys. It is really delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another great recipe. Bye for now.